Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you want to make this? Let me show you how to make this circle infographic in just 2 minutes. First of all, go to insert and shapes and add a circle. Adjust it like this. Now go to shape fill and change its color to white. Go to shape outline and remove its outline. Again, go to shape fill and change its color to gray. Now go to shape format and do the following settings as I have done. There you go. Now you have to give gradient and now you have to duplicate the shape and change the color to brown and you have to give it a shape preset. Move it to the right side and put it into the gray circle. Decrease the size. Go to shape format again, give it some shadow and presets. Decrease the size. Go to insert tab and add this half donut. Decrease the size. Put it into the circle. Change its color to white and remove its outline. Give it a shape reset. Go to shape format and do the following settings. Adjust it. Go to insert tab and you have to add a circle. Increase its size. Put it into the middle of the bigger circle. Change its color to brown. Give it preset. Add text. Increase its size. Change its color if you want. I'm gonna paste the content text. So this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like these.